How to add and manage payment methods in Macy's wallet. Hi everyone, I'm Macys. Today, without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Macy's website. Here, click on your name at the top, and then scroll down and click on Wallet. After you click on Wallet in here, it will lead you to a different page. Here, simply scroll down in the Wallet section. You'll find Add Payment option. Click on Add a Payment Method. After you click on Add a Payment Method, it will give you the options that are available. Mainly, it will give you credit or debit card option. Here, simply add all your information and press on Save and Continue. After you do that, your payment method will be added, and from here you will be able to manage as well. This is how to add and manage payment methods in Macy's wallet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.